The following segment is sponsored by Intermountain Healthcare and the Utah Department of Health.
And Baby Your Baby, we're talking back to school for your kids. We have Katrina Jensen here from Intermountain Healthcare to talk about ways to keep your kids safe from COVID as schools get ready to reopen. And your kids can wear masks. The over 12, they can be vaccinated. And you, as a health official, you say it is a real threat at our schools.
You know, Mary, the hospitalization rates are going up, and we are full at Primary Children's and other hospitals within the Intermountain region. With pediatric cases with this new Delta variant. So the big change here is this Delta variant. And so I know we've been talking about it all week, but we're going to talk about it again, that the number one way to protect your children is for anyone 12 and up to be vaccinated. Absolutely the number one way to protect children. Children less than 12 cannot be vaccinated. Right. So they're the next line of defense. Again, this layering technique that the American Academy of Pediatrics and the CDC have been talking about is masking. So kids 12 and under, less than 12, should be masking indoors.
Do masks really work?
Masks
against this variant?
The variant, the virus is spread by droplets. So masks do prevent against any droplet transmission, which has been known. Now we know that kids did well last year with masks. I know some people have different opinions. However, we know that kids are resilient. They're way more resilient than adults. And they did comply, and we kept kids in school. The thing that's obviously very concerning is if enough kids don't have masks and we have kids that are immunosuppressed in the same classroom, parents are super worried about those kids. If you're a parent of one of those kids, this is difficult.
Okay, and like Dr. Pavia said, kids can still get it and bring it home to people who are at risk of getting really sick.
So the number right now of kids with COVID vaccine children is 250 times more than last year at this time. Wow. 250 times more, and in the country we have 94,000 kids who have been diagnosed with the Delta variant COVID virus. So these are big numbers. This is not a nothing.
And it's so transmissible.
It is. So please send your kids. They also have to have masks when they ride the school bus, though. So the masks are important, and if we can comply with that, let's try to get through the fall and get this vaccine for kids that are less than 12 approved.
All right, back to school. We want to keep those schools open and keep kids there in person. If you want any other guidelines, we have it on our website. Go to KUTV.com and click on Baby Your Baby. Thanks, Katrina.
Thanks.
Okay, Matt, your turn.